and welcome back to our page. Thanks for checking out our video today. So this week we are talking about cupping therapy and basically what it is, what it does, and would it be beneficial to your treatment. So first things first, we're going to talk about myofascial tissue. So this is one of the main things that we're targeting with the cupping therapy. So your body has what I like to call a continuous layer of saran wrap underneath your skin, and this is made up of really dense connective tissue. So what happens is when this connective tissue is damaged or injured, it is actually one of the only organs in your body that will technically shrink. So when it shrinks, it has to pull from somewhere. So for an example, women that have had C-sections, the most common thing I hear postnatal is that they have a lot of neck and head pain after their C-sections. So this is because you are going through major surgery as well. Your hormones have changed. Another thing is because of that incision down below your stomach, that tissue has to pull down. And so it pulls down from your head and your neck. And so that increases the tension in your head and neck, giving you those wicked headaches, migraines, things that you didn't have before. Another one is with sports injuries. You lose mobility in like either your shoulder or your knee, your leg, your hip, just because when you do have an overuse injury, again, that connective tissue will shrink around it. It's your body's way of trying to strengthen itself. So that's where cupping comes in, and that's where it's really handy. So first things first, I'll show you what it kind of looks like. So this is the kind of cup that I use. It's plastic, has a little rubber valve in it, and then this is so I can release and control the pressure a little bit better within the cup. Another version of this that you'll see is the glass cups, and those are used for fire cupping. If you've never done it, definitely check it out. It's pretty cool. The only difference with that is that they actually use a lit match. They will swirl it around the cup and put it on your body, and that heat creates suction to lift that tissue up. But with this, I can put it on the end of my hose, and then I can create suction and control it a little bit better from myself. There are two different kinds of cupping therapy. There's dynamic cupping, which is you create the suction through the cup and then you actually drag it over that area, try to break up that scar tissue, target a larger area and increase circulation. And there is stagnant cupping, and so that is when you would take your cup and you park it over an area that maybe has a little bit more scar tissue, something that you're trying to specifically focus on, and then you would leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the discoloration of the tissue within the cup. So, another thing I want to talk about today is the purple spots. So, a lot of you, if you guys have seen Michael Phelps at the Rio 2016 Olympics, he had these great big purple spots all over his back. It was kind of a hot topic that year, and this is because of cupping. So, this is not bruising, this is simply all of the dead blood cells and chemicals that are trapped within those fibers, trapped within those tissue layers. They come to the surface, and this way, with that separation that you get, new fresh blood can get in between those layers, and so all the dead stuff kind of comes to the surface, and then we flush it out either through secretion through your skin, urination, sweat. That's why we again ask you to drink so much water, because we want that junk out of your body. So don't be alarmed. This is not a bruise. We're not beating you up. This is just your body's way of detoxifying itself. So I'll try to wrap things up as quickly as I can here. There are a million different uses and ways to use cupping. If you're into energy work, they can add magnets actually into these cups that relate to positive and negative energy within your body. So if you're somebody that is more interested in the energy work, definitely let us know. Another thing that it's really great for, again, sports injuries. If you are an athlete, if you're prepping for any kind of competition, definitely come in and get this done. Basically, it makes your muscle fibers healthier. It creates a healthier muscle tendon as well. It breaks up that scar tissue so your body can actually move in the way that it's meant to. Another one is any chronic pain. It's really, really great for it. Just breaking those habits that you've created within your body, and sometimes you don't even realize that you're tight in certain areas just because of the way that we sit, the way that we move. I know I'm really bad for sitting like this when I am treating my clients. Right, last thing, we are open this Friday for Good Friday. We are also open on Monday because I know some of you guys have Monday off. So definitely come in for a massage. Why not? Why not start off your week great? And we also have little Easter baskets for anyone that books in with us on Friday. Those spots are filling up really quickly. I think I only have one more spot, but definitely give us a call here. You can book online through our website, and we hope everyone is having a fabulous day, and we will see you in here soon. Thanks.